Hi, good day everyone. I'm Judy, kasalukuyang isang OFW po dito sa bansang Kuwait. Sa pagiging isang OFW, during my day off, ginagamit ko po yung time at panahon ko po sa pag-aaral sa kursong Computer SIC. Actually, Computer SIC is my second course. I finished my first course, which is Office Management and Design School. So, para sa mga kababayan ko po dito sa bansang Kuwait, it's not so late po para sa pangarap natin na makapagtapos sa pag-aaral while working abroad. For me, I'm so very proud of myself being a single parent. Napaaral ko po yung mga anak ko po at napaaral ko pa po yung sarili ko sa dalawang course na natapos. I choose ICSA to develop and to know more about computer skills. Kung ano po yung nasimulan ko po doon sa Pilipinas pa po ako nag-aaral. To my instructor, Ms. Susan, Ma'am, thank you so much for your patience, help and guidance to this journey and to the rest of the teaching staff. So mga kababayan ko po, what are you waiting for? ICSA, they offered a lot of courses. Enroll now. ICSA is located Malia, Kuwait City, Panasonic Tower, 8th floor. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good luck. God bless. Bye-bye.